Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a zucchini and chicken fried rice. I got some zucchini and a pack of chicken breasts from the pantry. So we'll be preparing that and then I'll take it to the pantry. You'll see how I'm going to deliver it. Well, you'll see how I'm going to package it because I'm not taking the camera with me. I don't think that would be appropriate. So you guys going to see. Okay guys, I have 2 teaspoons of cornstarch in here and I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of water, and this is for the chicken because I'm doing the chicken breast. Okay guys, I already cut up the chicken breast, boneless chicken breast, and now I'm gonna use the cornstarch and the water. This will help to keep the chicken breast moist when I start to cook it. This was a trick I learned. So I'm just gonna try to get all the chicken coated in it. And then we'll leave it to sit for a few. While it's sitting, I'm gonna get the rest of my ingredients. It's already been, I'll leave that to sit for a few. About 15 minutes I'll leave it. And then I'll come back and add the ingredients. Okay, we'll start with the soy sauce. Okay, all the measurement will be in the description below. Put a little, this is sugar, just a little bit of sugar I'm going to put in here. Okay, a little bit of black pepper, just a pinch, and this is ginger, the garlic, tomato paste, and this is the green onion, the white portion of the green onion, as much as I can get. Nice, nice, nice. And this is sesame oil, a little bit of sesame oil, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that is nice. I wish if you guys could smell it. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, now we're gonna add all of our marinade here. I want everything in there. Man, this smells good. And this is gonna sit overnight. Oh my god. You could, if you don't wish to leave it overnight, you can just leave it for at least half an hour or so, and you'll be good to go. But I'm gonna leave mine overnight. I know those guys gonna love this. This is for the pantry crew. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. I'm enjoying this cooking for the pantry. Okay, I need a little bit more soy sauce in here. I think I'll add a little bit of soy sauce in here. I don't like the way this looks, but it smells so good. Let me go and wash my hands and I'll add a little bit of soy sauce. I think that's all the thing I need to add in here. Just to give it a little bit more color. Okay guys, I'll wash my hands and I'm gonna put just a little bit more soy sauce in there. Ew, just splash on me. Yeah, disrespectful. Yes, yes, yes. Make sure everybody got a little bit of coating, a little bit of marinade. Come on, everybody. Make friends in there. Okay guys, I'm gonna put it in here. Put the plastic wrap over it and pop it in the fridge. And we'll wait in the morning. Put it in the oven. in the oven. Put it in the fridge for tomorrow. Okay guys, this week I did not get the box. I only get fresh produce, and these are the produce that I got this week. Okay guys, I had the rice cooking while I was doing all my chopping and stuff. Let's check the rice. Looking good. I have a habit of doing that. Oh yeah, this is perfect. This is good. Okay, this is done. I'll put this aside and work on my chicken. I'll do the chicken now, and then we'll do the veggies. And then we'll put everything together. That is perfect, guys. Okay, I'll get ready for this chicken. Okay, guys, I'm using some corn oil. Okay, guys, this is the chicken I seasoned from yesterday. It's marinated overnight. Now we're gonna do the thing. Okay, this has to be nice and hot because it's oh guys, I know these guys gonna love this zucchini and chicken fried rice. Oh, when I take this in later on, oh my goodness. I wish you guys could smell this. Oh my god, this is smelling so good. This is all the good stuff. We'll need these in a few. Alright guys, you're gonna see what I'm gonna do. Okay, we'll be using this when I add the rice. When we add the rice and everything together, we'll be using all this goodness. Okay guys, this is just to prevent from having to deal with burnt pieces. Don't want that? No, we don't want that. We want nice, beautiful pieces. Okay guys, I clean the pot. It should be after every 2 batches of chicken, but you know me, it has to be different. So I just clean it out because I don't want it burnt. I want them to continue to look as beautiful as that. We don't have much. This is the last batch right here, and then we'll do the zucchini in there. Okay, that's the last of it. Okay, chicken is done. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil in here because I'm gonna do the zucchini right in here. Okay, I'm gonna cut a bit of salt, a bit of black pepper, just a smidge, a little bit of chicken seasoning, flavor. This is just going to be building now. That don't take too long to cook, so I don't want to take my eyes off it. I don't know, but I love the sound of the sizzling. Okay guys, the zucchini is done. I'm going to put it on the side and do the peppers and the onions, and then we put the rice. You know, all the good stuff. The back. Okay, add a little bit of corn oil in here, and we're gonna saute the onion for a few. Okay guys, please don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my other videos. Okay guys, you know the usual, a little bit of salt, all the mixed it, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of chicken seasoning. Guys, if you don't need to use the chicken seasoning. Remember, you can always use the vegetable seasoning. They have a vegetable seasoning in these also, which is also good too. I usually have all of them that I use. I use the beef, the chicken, the veggies. Let's try this around for a few, and then leave it to get a little bit of color. I don't want it too brown, just a little bit of color. Leave this to do a little bit of number here. And the back. That is good. I'm going to add the peppers. Put a little bit of chicken seasoning, just a tad bit of seasoning in there. Like that. Rice in here. Okay guys, I already lowered my stove, so it's on low. I just need to mix these guys together, and then I'm going to add the, man, this is already looking good as it is right here, but now we're going to add more. I steamed the carrots, so I'm going to add that in here. The zucchini that we just finished dough. There we go. I need all my scrapings. And then I'm going to add the chicken. Okay guys, this is the goodness that I had put aside while we were frying the chicken. Yes, we're gonna put it in here now. Okay guys, now we're adding the green onion, and we're almost finished. Okay guys, this is it. It is finished. Okay guys, I can't wait to taste this. Oh my god. Looks good, smells good, and I'm hungry.